When you start to begin to use the HTML editor for Google Drive, make sure first of all that you're in your proper folder. So notice I'm in my last name website folder, which was asked of you to create in the first video. To create a new one, just go to the new, go down to more, and you should all see an option that says HTML editor for Google Drive. So let's select it. Now, when this opens up, you're going to see more of a GUI interface where you have buttons to click on. It's not all code-based. So the first thing you want to do, though, is you want to save this. Now, you'll notice it opened it up into a totally new website. So this HTML editor.kwebpia.net allows us to create a web page in a design view, but also to save it on Google Drive. So let's click Save to Google Drive, and you will get the following dialog box. Now, by default, this should be generic, no title. So let's type in exercise 3, and it should have the .html extension. Notice target folder. It's not specified. So the first time you do this, let's go to select folder. It'll open up your Google Drive and you'll see, oh, there's my last name website. So you do the same, choose it, select it, and it's showing that it's going to save in that location. That is so important for web design. Now, once it's there, go ahead and choose Save As. You'll notice Save isn't available yet. So choose Save As, and we are done. Now, you'll notice at the top, there's a little drop down up here. This is showing you your current document. So we are now in exercise 3. Now, before we start talking about these buttons, just a note. This is design view, so I can click right in here and type. But I can also jump to source view. And in source view, you will see that it does put in basic code for a web page. Now, notice it doesn't even have a doc type. But what we're going to be concerned about is what we add to the body. Once we add it to the body, we're going to copy that out and paste it into our repo where that's our main website. One thing about, go back out of source, one thing about saving the file in Google Drive, you cannot preview it as a web page. Google used to allow that to happen, but it no longer does. So that is how to create a file and save it.